It is incredibly easy to make your own vanilla extract using the Instant Pot. Bottle it up and give it as a gift anyone will love. Hi mindful moms and dads, Kristen here. As someone who suffers from a chronic disease, I believe homemade is best, but it doesn't need to be complicated. 'Tis the season for giving, lots of giving. And today I'm gonna share with you a perfect homemade gift, vanilla extract. Vanilla extract makes a great neighbor gift, a teacher gift, a hostess gift, and it's super easy to make using our Instant Pot. Normally, making vanilla extract needs to be done 6 months in advance. But if you're like me, you may not plan 6 months before the holidays your gifts. Well, we can speed up the process using the Instant Pot and have vanilla extract ready in just 1 week. So let's put on our kitchen capes and make homemade vanilla extract. Now let's talk about what you need to make vanilla extract first. There are only 2 ingredients, vanilla beans and vodka. Vanilla beans can be pricey. I typically can find a really good deal on bulk vanilla beans on Amazon, and I'll link to the ones that I've purchased recently in the description of the video, but you can get any vanilla beans that you like. I'm a bit partial to Tahitian vanilla as it's super intense in flavor, but again, use whatever vanilla beans you can find or you like. Either grade B or grade A will work when making vanilla extract. Grade B is a little less expensive, and for extract, it works perfectly well. When it comes to the vodka, cheap is good. This is not vodka we are drinking. We are just using it to make extract, so the cheaper the vodka, the better. Not the time to waste your money on expensive vodka. As for the equipment, obviously we need our Instant Pot, and we also need 4 pint-sized canning jars. We are not canning in our Instant Pot. Vanilla extract is shelf stable. However, we do want to make sure that our jars can withstand the heat of the Instant Pot, and that's why we need to make sure we use canning jars. And we want to make sure that we have the canning lids as well. We're going to use the canning jars to make our vanilla extract for a couple of reasons. 1, it'll keep the condensation from getting into our extract, and 2, it will keep our vanilla extract pure in taste. We made chili in our Instant Pot the night before. We don't want our extract tasting like last night's chili. And now we're ready to make the extract. So the first thing we want to do is pour 1.5 cups of cold water in our inner pot. This method will work with both a 6 and an 8 quart Instant Pot. And then we want to put our metal trivet in our Instant Pot. We want to make sure that our jars are lifted above that water. And now for our vanilla beans. I'm using 24 whole vanilla beans, 6 beans per jar. To get that vanilla flavor out of the bean, we need to split our beans open. You want to use a really sharp knife and slice the beans lengthwise. If you find it easier or you plan to give tiny little jars of vanilla extract as gifts, you want to cut your beans in half first and then split them lengthwise. Now that my beans are split, I'm adding 6 whole beans to each jar, or 12 halves to each jar, depending on how you cut your vanilla beans. Before we add our vodka, let me go over a few safety tips here. Vodka is extraordinarily flammable, especially the amount that we are using to make extract. So it is crucial that you do not have any flames, any candles burning, any gas stove going, and never, ever, ever make this vanilla extract using a stovetop pressure cooker. That just spells disaster. Once you ensure your kitchen is safe, pour your vodka to just underneath the lip of the jar. Pop the lids on the jar and then give that a good spin until the lids are secure but not tight. We're gonna place our jars in the inner pot, and we're gonna pop our lid on our Instant Pot. Make sure our vent knob is pointed towards sealed, and now for pressure cooking. Now this is what is going to extract all the flavor from our vanilla beans so that we can speed up the process of making vanilla extract, and we need 1 week instead of 6 months. Set the cook time for 30 minutes on high pressure. You can turn the keep warm function off. There's no need to keep our vanilla extract warm as the pressure releases. Once the cooking time has elapsed, don't do a quick release of pressure. Let it be. Let the Instant Pot release its pressure on its own. Plan for up to 30 to 40 minutes if needed. And then once the pressure has been released and the lid allows you to open it, or unlocks. You want to open up your lid. Don't do anything again. You may notice that your vanilla extract looks like it's bubbling in the jars. Totally normal. This point, we don't want to touch our jars. You can just let your Instant Pot sit for 3 to 4 hours to overnight. Just let your extract stay in your Instant Pot until the jars are nice and cool. Once the jars are completely cool, you can remove them from the inner pot, and then you want to tighten the lid and give everything a good shake, just to let that vanilla beans really get distributed through the vodka and to infuse the vodka. And then you want to just let your jars sit for at least a week so that the flavor really intensifies and your extract is perfect for all your baking needs. After a week, you want to give your jars another shake, and then I really recommend transferring this to smaller jars to give as gifts, just so that it's the perfect size. A pint jar is awful generous. You want to add a vanilla bean or two to your smaller jar and then pour your vanilla extract using a funnel into your smaller jars. And then you can add a cute little sticker to dress it up. I just ordered these stickers off Amazon as I am not crafty. Well, I am crafty with food, but not much else. You can tie a little ribbon to make it festive, and then you're ready to give somebody a gift that they will absolutely love. Not only does vanilla extract make a wonderful gift, it also lasts forever, which is great because those vanilla beans are a little bit pricey. As you notice your extract is getting low, just top it off with additional vodka and give it a good shake and store it in your pantry. This extract is great to use in a variety of different recipes. You can use it for any recipe that calls for vanilla extract. I love to use it when making chocolate molten lava cakes, which I'm going to share with you in my next video. Until then, happy cooking.